Hi guys, we are back at the CSF stand and we are with CSF's owner, Ravi. Hi Ravi.
Hey Ron, how are you,
Thanks
brother?
for having us.
Good to see you, man.
And we are going to talk about his 991 Turbo and also some of the new products that he's got coming out. So let's start at the back end because it's the most
Party in the rear.
impressive part. Party definitely in the rear.
Party in the rear. So obviously, you know, the CSF components that we have on the car are our 991 Turbo intercoolers. And we've had these on the market for about a year. We see the 991 Turbo market really growing, really becoming a big power market. So the intercoolers are obviously one of the components you're going to need to keep those.
This chassis takes the power really well. It puts it down really well. So yeah, I agree with you. It's going to be one of those, like, you know, half mile, 4 mile cars. It's going to be very popular.
Absolutely. And so, you know, this is a cast end tank design, full plug and play. So it works with all the shrouding, and we actually have it coated in California with a special thermal dispersion coating by an aerospace company. So it really extracts the heat. This car runs on Cyvex. We're able to log all the IATs, and we can really see that the coolers are working. You know, on top of that, you know, we've paired it with your Venturi intakes, which are great looking.
Polished up nicely.
Yeah,
fast,
had to.
by hand. Yeah, I saw that.
Something like that. And you know, it's really bringing the air into the car, and it looks great with the bumper off. It's unfortunate you can't see it, you know, when the bumper is on.
It sounds great as well.
It sounds great. And then, you know, we were good friends with the guys that were at Sheepy Race. They just put this new titanium exhaust on it for us. It sounds awesome.
Isn't it just a shame you just can't run the car like that? It just looks amazing.
You know, we're getting a couple guys telling us that maybe we should just tack the license plate to the back and run it in the back with no bumper. But yeah, and then, you know, on top of that, we have this special one-off duckbill GT2 RS style deck lid duckbill combo that was done by our good friends at Sterling AutoCon.
It looks really good. I really like it. Yeah, it really suits the lines of the car. I'm a big fan of duckbill and Porsches rather than the big wings, but it looks
and for us doing the half-mile race, and we want the least amount of drag as possible. So, you know, the adjustable spoiler that goes up is actually a detriment to what we want to do. So we're hoping this is getting good air into the engine, air's flowing right off it, and it's going to get us, you know, faster mile per hour times.
What kind of power?
Right now, this is making 986 wheel horsepower.
And the last event you went to, is it the half mile?
Yeah, we did a half mile. So we're teetering between 183 and 187 miles per hour. So it is a fast car, sub 15 seconds. It can do a quarter mile in about 9.4.
Yeah.
And that's on, you know, street tires. These are our 888R tires that are with the Yokohama center locks, the Advan GT premium wheels. I love the wheels. You know, I've always wanted to put JDM wheels on a German or European car, and this was the one to do it. You know, when I saw these wheels at Tokyo Auto Salon, I said, you know, let's just go for it. Some other, you know, body modifications that have come from other Porsches. These are side scoops from the GT3 RS. Right. You know, kind of creates more of a ram effect of air going into the intercoolers. These are also side skirts from the GT2, GT3 RS. Kind of get a little bit more of a wider, squattier stance. The car's sitting on Olin's road and track coilovers. Really good for the handling. And then on the inside, we have
see some the seats and the roll cage.
Yes, so the seats are Sparco's SPX seats, which, believe it or not, are way more comfortable than the stock Porsche seats. These are the best race seats I've ever sat in. It's got the GMG WC roll cage with the Scroth harnesses. So this is their top of the line roll cage with the gussets in the corners and everything else. And yeah, you know, just a few other bits from Renline, like the race mats and the floorboards and stuff.
So in terms of CSF cooling on this, obviously you've got the coolers at the back. Have you done anything on the front?
Yeah, so then in the front we've put a 3-piece all aluminum radiator system on the car. And these are the same radiators that fit the GT3s, the turbos, and you know, keeps water engine temperatures in check. Better durability being aluminum versus the plastic. Yep. And yeah, so this is a very good, I guess, representation of all the different types of coolers that we can make, from intercoolers to radiators. And the car's been received really well.
So what's your plans for the future? Do you think you're going to keep it, make it faster, or are you just still deciding?
Well, you know, I think I'm feeling that I'm going to try to, you know, tinker a little bit on it and try to make it a little bit faster. I'd really love to make this into a 200 mile per hour car. I think it's got the hardware in it, maybe just a couple upgraded turbos, you know, maybe change the Borgs out for some Garretts. And yeah, you know, just look at the drawing board and making sure everything's working the right way. But I think this car's right there. So hopefully, you know, by March or April next year, we'll be in the 200 mile per hour club.
Yeah, I mean, it looks fantastic, and I've seen that it's really fast as well. So well done on the build. So do you want to talk about some of the new products you've got coming out? Because I've seen some interesting 3D printed parts. We'll talk about that first, because that's I'm biased obviously towards this product.
Yeah, so you know, these are the F90 charge coolers that we'll be coming out with. These are the 3D prototypes. We've had very good success with the F10 models. And what's nice about them, they're full plug and play. They have built-in meth injection ports that are post-intercooling, so you can really hit it right before the air goes into the engine. And those should probably be on the market sometime in Q1 of 2020. So I'd say about 2 or 3 months out.
So I'm looking forward to those.
Yes.
So you said you're going to send me the first set.
Absolutely, I promise. You heard it here first. So you will definitely get the first set. Our very popular M3, M4 charge cooler just did a gold one. Just because this is our 10-year anniversary, and we've had a couple gold bits. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
But yeah, appreciate that. So 10-year anniversary at SEMA. We've sold over 1,200 of these. It's a great selling product, and one of our best sellers. Moving on, this is the B58 heat exchanger, and
I need one of those as well.
Yes, you're getting everything. It's like a pawn shop for Imran. He's coming in with everything. Yeah, he's taking home with him. So Matt, you're gonna have to carry this home. But we have the Toyota Supra. B58 heat exchanger going to be on the market in the next, I'd say, 2 months. It's a redesign for the BMW B58, so it fits all the LCI models as well as all the X-Drive models. So the transmission oil cooler bolts right onto it. Okay. So, comes with the rock guard and everything else. If we come around the back end,
this is another one.
This is the new C63 AMG W205 motor charge air water heat exchanger. So this is the same, similar it's a similar way of working as the Supra, where the radiator or heat exchanger in the front cools the water that goes through the built-in manifold charge air cooler. So this is brand new. It will be on the inventory stand at Essen on the car. So this is the first one in the world. It's ready for sale. We should be getting these in the next 2 weeks, full production. So.
Yeah, so we've just built the intakes for this car as well. So the car at Essen will have both on there.
Yes.
And what we've seen is, from our perspective as a tuner, the CSF product and the Even2 product go really well hand in hand. So
it's good match made in heaven. A lot of our cars, have the Even2 bits. We can't thank them for you guys for all the support, and it's been a good partnership, and we're really happy to have you guys here at the CSF booth.
Cool. Thank you very much for having us.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
I'll speak to you later.
Yes, definitely. Appreciate it, guys.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys have any other cars you want us to cover at SEMA, please let us know. If you'd like to watch more SEMA videos, you can click over here. If you want to watch anything that YouTube suggests you might like, you can click over here.